Want to transfer your Gmail contacts into iCloud? First, open a browser on your iPhone, Safari, or Chrome, and go to contacts.google.com. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account. Then select All Contacts by using the drop-down and choosing All. Tap the three dots, choose Export, and pick the vCard format for iOS. Download it. When prompted, you can update existing ones or import them. This brings those contacts into your iPhone's Contacts app. Next, open Settings, scroll to Contacts, and tap Accounts. Select your Gmail account and turn off contacts syncing so the original Gmail-backed contacts are removed from that source. You've already imported them via the vCard. Now open the Contacts app and view all contacts. You should see the Gmail contacts you just imported, now stored locally and syncing with iCloud if iCloud Contacts is enabled. That's all it takes to move Gmail contacts into iCloud. If this helped you, tap like, share your best contact management tip in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.